Hi all, in September 17th, World Patient Safety Day கொண்டாடப்படுது. In this fast growing medical world, we all are busy in diagnosis, doing treatment, doing procedures like CT scan, ultrasound, MRI, then new procedures, newer drugs and operations. But the main heart of everything is patient and patient safety. So, patient has come to us trusting us. So it is our prime duty to take care whether they are getting the best possible safety care with us. So, but patient safety is not a single action. It's a culture. It's about building system and processes that are designed to prevent the errors, and there has to be clear communication between everyone in the hospital, right from the receptionist, front office manager, pharmacist, then duty doctors, then staffs, housekeeping staffs, nurses, doctors, patients, and patients attendant as well. So this is combination of everything. It's not that only doctor can give safety to the patient. For example, when I'm writing a prescription to a patient, it's the patient's duty to take the prescription in a proper manner, correct dosage and correct timings. They have to follow it. Then only it will be safe for them. At the same time, if they are in hospital, it's the duty of our nurse to follow the instructions properly, to give the dosage and doses properly at the time. And at the same time, the patient as well as the attendants have to be very cooperative with them. They should allow them to give the medicine properly. They should keep the room also clean by themselves. Though housekeeping staff will also be doing, but then the attenders, the patients also, they all have to take care of rules. They have to follow the rules. So they are also involved in the safety of the patient. So it's not a single entity. So everyone is involved in taking care of patient safety. So for me, each single day is a World Safety Day for the patient. But September 17th, as it is described internationally as a World Safety Day, so I wish everyone a very happy World Patient Safety Day. Thank you.